Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the Android development. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you want to become a software developer of mobile application and you have interest in mobile development. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, Android development. What is Android actually? Android is an operating system developed by the Google actually, and it's an open source operating system. That means it is not having any cost, and the applications which are based on the operating system of Android, the application development for Android is called as Android development. So that means the like for example, mobile devices which are based on Android, which are using Android operating system, like the iPad, the tablets, any device which is based on the Android operating system, and the application development for that Android is called as Android development. Remember, friend, one thing, that it is the open source software, and basically the kernel used in Android is of Linux kernel. Now if we talk about Android architecture, friend, Android architecture starts with the main user interacts, which supports the front end of the Android application like calculator, clock, email, etc. Second layer is of the Android framework, which consists of Windows, firewall, service provider, and all the various managers such as package manager and activity manager. Third layer is of the libraries and Android runtime, which consists of SQL, SSL, SQLite, and libc. And the lowest layer, fourth layer, is consist of kernel, which has all the drivers such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, etc. Application framework of Android is, first one is the activity manager. This is the Java class included in the Android application, which interacts with all the activities currently processing the application interface and running on the program overhead. It tracks all. Then content provider. The content provider class in Android works as to provide data to other classes of the application. It works as the intermediary on the request, which are controlled by the class named control content resolver. It can also act as a data centralizer, where it contains all the data and rest of the apps can access it from there. Next is the resource manager. Resource manager is a tool window which manages all the resource embedded with the application being created. Giant drawbills can be easily imported in the project via the resource provider. The application logo, which is named as map in the application settings, is also a type of resource managed. Then notification manager. The title bar of the Android app is where the notification resides, and it can be easily altered by the notification manager. Last one is the view system. This basically is how the user interacts with the screen and views the functions displayed. Objects in these are called widgets, such as button, text view, and image view. These are various layout types available, such as linear layout and constraint layout. These layouts can be declared either at the time of creating the user interface in XML or at runtime. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.